Hi, I'm Natalie, an acupuncturist and herbalist, and today I'm going to talk about cinnamon protector oil. So the cinnamon protector oil is the yang formula. That means it's very stimulating, invigorating, moving, activating, clearing out, kicking out. It's very active. The other really nice way to use the cinnamon protector oil is for people who have tired, achy feet, tense feet, or even edema and fluids pooling in the ankles or the low legs from sitting too much, from poor circulation, from walking too much. There are different reasons why people would have that. You can use it on the feet and the lower legs to start moving the energy up, clearing it out of the lymphatic system. For sleep, for those people who have too much energy, and it's all pushing in the thoracic spine, the upper back. So a lot of tension, stress, thinking, focus at work. If you put it on the upper back before bed, just along the spine, you can use a gua sha tool or a spoon, or just have someone press it in. These oils, you want to press them in. So you swipe them on and then push them into the channels a little bit. Happy healing from Artemis Therapeutics.